It's another day of Vlogmas. So today is gonna be a clean with me, and clean with me is gonna involve the kids because they are the one who made all the mess. But before then, I'm gonna be taking my oldest son to get his second dose of the vaccine. So I don't know why they didn't actually send a letter out this time around, but they did call me to say, no, well, we just want him to get the dose as soon as possible. I'm thinking maybe because he had a surgery some times ago, so maybe they just want to make sure that he's covered. I guess that's the surgeon behind him getting the second dose as quick as possible. So that's the plan for today, and then when I get back, it's gonna be cleaning the living area so that it's ready for when we set up our Christmas tree. So our Christmas tree will probably be going up tomorrow, because while cleaning, like, the kids, they can be very messy. And guys, if I show you my dining area and my coffee table, they've turned it into a library. Like Nigerian homes, do you actually use your dining table to eat? Because in my house, my dining table is filled with books and all sorts. And in fact, I'm even ashamed to show you guys, but I will actually show you anyway, so I could tell you, I could show you the before and after. So that's the plan for today. In the meantime, just waiting for my son to get ready, and I'm watching Lost in Space. There's a new episode now. I think it's season 3. Yep, so that's what I'm watching now. Yeah, so it's season 3. I'm currently on episode 5, and I'm actually binge watching it because December is all I've got for all this playing around. Come January, it's gonna be busy. Like January 3rd, I'm starting my nursing, my second placement for 3rd year. As you all know, I'm a final year nursing student. It's getting tough now, and looking at the 2 modules that were introduced to us last week, I'm scared. Like, I'm scared. I need to get my studying hat and reading hat on. Like, I don't even know if I'll be uploading videos come January, because it's going to be really, really tough, but we'll cross that bridge when we get there. So yeah, the plan today is to do a clean with me, clean the living area, maybe put up the Christmas tree so that it flops, because, like, you know, it's fiber, so maybe just set it to the one corner and then leave it for like 24 hours before I started putting the ornaments on it. And then I'm gonna change the curtain in the living area, and yeah, that's the plan. Hi guys, we've just taken, my son's just had his second dose of the vaccine, and I decided to use the opportunity to get my own booster as well, because I was sent a text to say they won't be sending out a letter, or they sent me a link to go book for my booster. But when I checked online, there was no appointment whatsoever for this month at all. All of the appointment I see online is for next year, sometimes in January. So one thought just came to my mind, like, I should ask if they are actually giving the booster as well, and they were like, yeah, she can give me my booster. So that's me, had my booster dose, and that's out of the way. But the queue was crazy, and it was raining, and it's still raining, but they were so kind enough to give us an umbrella. You know, they all handed us this massive umbrella, so which was a good gesture from them. So we are heading back now. We're starving. I was going to get breakfast at McDonald's, but that's not happening now because McDonald's already done. So we're heading home. Let me go and eat my yam and fish pepper soup. So I will touch base with you guys later. And Obi is doing the driving. There's no way I would have been there's no way I would have come here on my own. Like, all those narrow road, and then they're like 50-60 miles per hour road, and they're like corner. It's not a short thing. So we're heading back home now. See you guys later. Bye. Alright guys, I just got back home, and I've told the kids that they are going to be tidying up this house for me, and they're asking me, am I setting up Christmas tree? Am I setting up Christmas tree? I'm like, Christmas tree, the question to ask now. So I've told them, let me show you guys what they've made of the dining table. This is meant to be a dining table. Look at what they've done to this. Look at what they've done to the coffee table. Out of my way. Look at what they've done to the coffee table. See, they've turned it to, like, you know, when I go to, they just turn it to whatever they like. So the plan is to change the curtain, put in the new one, and then just get everywhere tidied up, like the TV, you know. Yeah, so we get everything rolling for ready for Christmas and get things into the gear. Yeah, so I'm gonna bring out the Christmas tree and set it to the side so that the heat can kind of like make it easier to separate the fibers or what they are called. So that's the plan right now. I want to go get something to eat and then try and edit some videos, and I'll touch base with you guys later. Okay.